Owen and Simon here with those kids on the hill.
And today, we're going to be building a jump for our RC cars. Okay, so right now we're going to do some raking.
Now can I step it down?
Yeah. Just remember, we want it kind of like slanted.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, some more. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's pat it down. Oh, you ready? Ready, Simon? There we go. As you can see, the jump is going pretty good so far.
Hear the sound that whip. Sounds pretty good. So Owen's just shoveling it up, and I'm just patting it down. It's pretty fun. And it's just for RC cars, because it'll be like under, kind of. We gotta make it a bit flatter on the top, so that's what we're doing, patting it down on the top a bit. I'm going to try out the jump with my RC car. It might not even go up, but Owen's probably will. It's over there. See that blue one? Yeah, that's where his is. They're both blue. I probably won't make it up, but that's okay. Okay, we're trying it out now. Make sure you're watching. I made it over, but I didn't get any air. Let's try that again. That's fun. Oh no, we went on the side. I think we made it too short or narrow. So he got some air because he has a bigger one. I don't know why he always gets her, but not me. Almost fell. As you can see, Owen's trying it out again. Startled me. Shoot, we went over the side.
Now we're going to keep on working on it. And then once this one's done, we're going to make a smaller one for Simon's car, because it doesn't go as fast, but it still can get air. We could bring our bikes over here later and try hitting it. Oh! After we finish this, we might want to make a landing so we can use our bikes on it. Okay, back to digging. Is it raining? Shoot, it's raining.
Our seat.
Shoot! Simon just made it over the fence. He's gonna go build his Lego set over there. Okay, back to work. I have made one jump before for a bike, and you can see that video in the top right corner. So when I step on the side of the jump, it seems to be collapsing, like this. You can see. So I've got an idea. I'm going to grab some wood and put it beside, which will hopefully stabilize it. Okay, let's fill this in. This log at the front is too thick. Okay, let's bury that. Hi, boss. So far, the jump is looking pretty good. So right now, I'm going to pat it down. I just grabbed my RC car, and now we're going to test this out. As you can hear, I think my car is making a weird noise. I don't think that's a good sign. I think I might have fixed it. That sounds normal. Okay, let's test this thing out. think we have to dig out the side right here because the car seems to be hitting it a lot, or at least smooth it out. Time to use the shovels. That's nice and packed down. Whew. Let's try this again. I think I need to make the landing bigger because the car keeps on landing to the side. Do you have anything to say? Need a pass? So Simon, what do you think of the jump?
It's good.
Well, that's good.
Right at the bottom there.
Oh yeah.
Why am I even wearing wide? Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh, and work.
Okay, back to my jump. Now I'm gonna try to pour water on the jump, then add more dirt to make it stronger. Now, as you can see, right here, there's a section with lots of loose dirt, so I'm gonna try to rake that out. Now, I'm gonna scrape the top so that it becomes flat.
So I'm working on the hill right now so my car can drive up after it goes down the drop.
This is pretty deep.
I mean, like, I can't get this shovel to go down on the side here. So Owen's just digging it out for me because I needed some help. So Owen's helping me with the hill. Wow. We're getting a few sandfalls down here. Shoot, we just dropped in. Yay, we made it out. We have a jump. Yay. One second.
So now I'm looking at this jump, and the landing is not looking good. I feel like it's way too deep, so I'm going to fill it in later. Because I don't want to hurt myself if I'm biking on it. Oops. There we go. The top right here is quite sturdy. See, I can jump on it. And it stays, which is pretty good. Now, I'm going to test the car on it. Oops. There we go. Whew, that was like perfect. So after testing out the jump a few times, I've realized that I need to make a path to be able to get back up. So I'm going to build a path beside the jump. And I'm going to rebuild the jump a little bit, because it kind of got smaller. Simon's going to try the jump now. Hopefully he doesn't fall. I'm going to give it to you, Simon.
Okay. So hopefully I don't fall, but if I do, that's okay. Oh no. Yeah. It's so tall. Oh no, my pedal. Thank you. There we go. So I sort of made it, but I sort of didn't. So we're going to make the jump a bit smaller, and then hopefully that works out. I thought that would not be as scary as it actually was. Wait, should I try it now? Just before you pat it down, I should try it just to make sure that this is the right length. Yeah. Will Owen make it? I don't think he will. He probably won't. He actually did make it. That's pretty crazy. That's very crazy. That is very, 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 very crazy. That's crazy that he made it. I'm surprised. Okay, so I'm going to hit the jump again. Hopefully, we can do it like Owen. Right, guys? Yeah. Okay, thanks. Yeah, that I really appreciate it. Wait, why was I talking like that? Okay, guys, let's try it. Yeah. So it kind of worked, I guess. Hopefully, it went well. That went very well. Pretty good, actually. Ugh. My bike is so heavy. Somehow Owen can lift it up with one hand. He's very strong. Okay, well, we went on the side too much, guys. Yeah.
Okay. Now, stop going.
But as I try it longer, I will get better. So do you want to tell them what you're doing?
I'm making the starting thing longer so that we can get more speed on the jump and hopefully get more air.
Okay, let's try it. Yeah, I'm good. I scraped myself a bit, but I'm fine.
Oh. Oh. Okay, we just make that way better.
Way tinier.
Yeah.
What?
This time shit's getting better.
Owen just hit his shin on my bike.
Oh. Okay, so what I was saying, we need to make the landing. We need to dig it out right here. Because when you land, you kind of crash into the wall right here, which kind of is not good. Nope. Oh. Let's try this again. Oh. Definitely not enough speed. For this jump to work, I need to start. Okay. Now hopefully this one works. Oh. Now that was better. That was pretty good. Hopefully you subscribe, and thanks for watching.